Stop letting today's interest rates scare you out of the housing market, because there is a powerful strategy called a 2-1 Buydown that can lower your interest rate by 2 full percentage points for the first year and 1% for the second year, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars every single month. Most buyers assume the rate you see online is the rate you are stuck with, but in a market like this we can negotiate for the seller to pay the cost of this buydown, essentially subsidizing your mortgage payment while you get settled into your new home. This is not an adjustable rate mortgage that can surprise you later. It is a fixed rate loan with a temporary discount that is fully paid for by the seller, meaning you get the lower payment without the risk. This strategy gives you the breathing room you need right now, and if rates drop permanently in the future, we can refinance you into a lower fixed rate for the long term, so you win either way. Do not disqualify yourself based on the headlines when there are tools available to make home ownership affordable today. So call me, Duane Buziak at Coast2Coast Mortgage Lending, and let us run the numbers to see how much a buydown could save you.